Just one quick little tip when doing stuff like this. Get yourself some baggies, a little permanent marker, and label and write down a little note for all the pieces you take apart. And snap some pictures. I'll be recording everything, so I'll have some video to go back and look at. But that should help you along the way. Alright, now we're taking out the strut bar and using a 14mm deep well just because of this one bolt here. Alright, so on the tall stud that I needed the deep socket for, I ended up using my impact hammer drill because I have a bad back and those threads were all gunked up with paint. You can see where it all kind of chipped off down in there. Just to save myself a backache, I went ahead and used the impact hammer. Alright, that's it for today. Didn't get a lot done this week. Barely anything actually. But I've kind of been strategizing how I want to go about doing all this. But here's how she looks with the engine cover off, the strut bar out, and the radiator shroud removed.